Hello everyone. Today we are going to do one science experiment. In this experiment we will find out what object float in the water and what object sink in the water. So to do this experiment, what we need? We need a container. As you can see, I took this container and you need to fill this container at least 3/4 with the water. Also, we need some object like this stick and a metal spoon, a plastic spoon and a penny. As you can see, these all the object made of with a different material, like this stick made of with the wood, and the spoon is made of with the metal, and the spoon is made of with the plastic, and you can see this penny made of with the metal. And also some objects are big and some objects are tiny. So we are going to record our experiment through a chart. As you can see, I made a chart. In the first column we are going to write our object which we are going to use, then the material they made of, and whether they float or they sink. So we can make a tick next to float or sink. So before starting our experiment, as you can see, I put a towel. You can put towel or sheet underneath this container so we won't get messy. All right. So first object we are going to test it is the stick. So what do you think? Any guesses? Going to sink or float? Okay, putting in the water. As you can see, this floating nicely. So we are going to make a tick next to float. The next one is metal spoon. By dropping in the water, as you can see, this sank in the water and going to tick next to sink. The next one is the plastic spoon. Any guesses? Going to sink or float? Let's find out. Okay, so we can see this floating nicely with the stick. So make a tick next to the float. The last one we are going to test this coin, putting in the water. As you can see, this coin is sink nicely in the water. Okay, so after this thing we are going to review our chart. In the chart, as you can see, a stick float, metal spoon sank, plastic spoon say float, and the coin is sink now. So in this experiment we see these two objects, they are similar in size and same in the shape, but this spoon is now in the chart says float, and this metal spoon says sink. So what's the you think reason they are same size and shape? The answer is the something called density. So everything made of the tiny particle which we can't see, and how dense is object is that depend how much space between the particle, inside the particle. So particle, so what are the particles? Let's use our imagination and think. I can show you through this. Imagine I took 2 bowl chickpeas. As you can see, in the one bowl, this chickpea representing the particles, they are next to each other. This is the similar inside in this metal spoon. The particles are next to each other, so that make this spoon dense, and that's the reason this is the spoon dense, and this spoon putting in the water is sink. And another bowl, as you can see, these chickpeas, like our particles, they are very far apart. So inside this spoon the particles are like similar these chickpeas very far apart. That make this spoon less dense. So now you can see that shape and size doesn't matter. The matter is how the particle arrange inside the object. So this arrangement make this one is less dense, and this particle next to each other makes this spoon dense, which make them float, and the particle arrangement make them sink. So that's the reason in this experiment. I hope you like this experiment, and see you next time. Bye.